Hi guys, my name is Matt Kennedy. Welcome to UAB Science and Chemistry. Okay. Now what I'm going to do right now, before you use your graduated pipette, each time you need to clean it 3 times. It's called priming. Hi, welcome back to UAB Chemistry. Today we'll be learning about the meniscus. The meniscus is this U-shaped form that forms in the graduated pipette. Now how to read a meniscus is you read it from the very bottom of the U. And see, that's going to be 2.05. And you always go to the nearest 100th decimal place when reading a graduated pipette. You just have to guess the last part. And remember guys, to always read your graduated pipette, the meniscus, from eye level. Hey guys, okay, I'm going to be drawing up my initial volume from our blue water and then finding the volume of it, and then putting that into our beaker or reaction vessel, and then I will find how much I've lost, and then calculate the weight of the reaction vessel. Let's do some science. Drop your ball. So, the initial volume of this is going to be 0.14. Because you always carry it out to the nearest 100. I'm going to be throwing this water into the reaction vessel. And I'll stop it at my own discretion. Now. And then my final volume will be 7.30. Always from the bottom of the meniscus. Okay, to determine your final volume, you're going to subtract your initial volume from your final volume. And I'm about to determine volume using a pipette. And so, your first step, after cleaning your pipette, then you're going to get your solution, squeeze your ball before you put it on, place it on, and then slowly let go of the pressure. As you do that, the solution comes into the pipette. At eye level is take your initial reading. So this initial reading would be 6.39. So then you have to record that data as your initial volume. So then your next step, you empty however much solution you want to into your beaker. And now after stopping, take your final reading. So this is 9.69. So then after that, you're going to take your final reading and you're going to subtract your initial reading from that to get your final volume.
Hi, I'm Jamie Bice and I'm going to be taking the measurements of water. You're going to stick your pipette in and squeeze all the air out of your little bubble and draw up some water. And it's going to be 8.70, and then you're going to put however much you want into here. Let it go. Stop it. This is your final reading, and it's 9.90 as well. And you subtract your initial reading from your final reading, and then that's the total in your little beaker.
Hi, I'm Katie Kahn, and I'm going to be measuring volume using a pipette. First, you want to draw in the liquid into the pipette. And after putting your thumb on to hold in the liquid, you want to get an initial reading, which is 7.9, and then you're going to get your beaker, however much you want to let out, and once you stop it, you take your second reading, about 9.10, and whatever is in here that you measure is your final volume.